Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad Vismai food, updated. Start by washing and drying all fruit thoroughly. Next, chop fruits into uniform bite-sized pieces to ensure even texture. Toss fruit gently with a light citrus honey, dressing to brighten flavors and prevent brown spots. Adjust sweetness with a touch of honey or a pinch of sugar, and fold in fresh herbs like mint if you like a fragrant twist. Pick fruits that complement each other in sweetness, acidity, and texture. Aim for a colorful variety such as berries, citrus, stone fruit, and apples or pears. Keep tender fruits separate until just before serving to avoid mush. If using delicate berries, fold them in last to preserve shape. Consider adding toasted nuts or seeds for crunch and a squeeze of orange or lemon to tie all the flavors together nicely. Prepare ingredients in stages. Wash, dry, peel, and then slice. Use a sharp knife and chill fruits briefly for cleaner cuts if needed. Make the dressing separately and add it slowly, tasting as you go to balance sweetness and acidity. For best texture, add delicate ingredients like bananas right before serving. Keep any leftover dressing on the side to refresh the salad later and maintain the freshest mouthfeel possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.